I cannot wait to show you this incredible property. I'm going to reveal to you the most exciting feature of this whole property. So be sure and watch to the very end of this video. You're not going to want to miss a minute of this gorgeous property here in downtown Greenville. Hello everyone, Tami Allen with eXp Realty here in Greenville, South Carolina. Obviously another gorgeous blue sky day here in the Carolinas. What an amazing day this is. And I just wanted to show you real quickly this common area here at this luxury condo right here in the heart of downtown Greenville. Now we are located right now at 110 North Markley Street. Fantastic, amazingly built, very historic looking, but yet brand new, basically, condos right here in the heart of the West End. I'm going to reveal to you the most exciting feature of this whole property. So be sure and watch to the very end of this video. You're not going to want to miss a minute of this gorgeous property here in downtown Greenville. Of course, I just want to show you this beautiful common area. This is downstairs. Of course, it is very private, very secure, and it has a really fantastic large fire pit here. You can see lots of seating. You can look up there and see all the way to the top floors up there. Of course, another area of seating down there. So this would be a fantastic place to have a gathering if you live here at 110 North Markley Street here in the heart of the Greenville West End. You're very, very close to the Greenville Drive Stadium here and within walking distance of lots of fantastic restaurants right around here. Another hotel is coming in soon just beside this. And so even more restaurants and opportunities for dining and shopping will be coming soon. Just beautiful. Can't wait to take you inside. And here we are. We've arrived at the second floor. The elevator is very secure, of course, coming out of the garage. And it is just gorgeous. Great reception area here. Beautiful fixtures. Just a lovely place as you're walking in. We're going to head right here to 208. Look how convenient this is. Just off of the elevator, so I can't wait to take you inside. Hi, Eileen. We're here. We made it. We are going to tour this amazing downtown condo right here in Greenville, South Carolina. We can't wait to show it to you. What do you think is going to be the best feature?
Maybe the view. Or
tuned.
the beautiful cabinets or countertops could be.
There's so much. Can't wait to show you. Let's go inside. And here we are. We are at 110 North Markley Street here in downtown Greenville. This is unit number 208, and it is stunning. You are going to love this luxury condo right here in the heart of everything downtown Greenville. You are in walking distance of the Drive Stadium for the Greenville Drive baseball team, which of course is the sister team to the Boston Red Sox. We actually do have a green monster in the Greenville Drive Stadium. But right now, look at this gorgeous luxury condo. Is about 1,664 square feet. So ample room in this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And it is fantastic. Would you look at the beautiful color of these kitchen cabinets? It just feels like such a haven in here. So I'm going to take you straight away to the primary bedroom, which is basically the far side of the building when you come in, the far side of the condo, because it is just stunning. There are some incredible features about this. And this is what I was talking about earlier. I want you to be sure and stay until the end of the video because I'm going to show you the most stunning part of this beautiful property. As you can see right here in the primary bedroom, when you are relaxing in your bed and you wake up first thing in the morning, you get this beautiful view of trees, and yet you're in the heart of the city of Greenville. So a very metro area, and yet you're surrounded by greenery even still. They have a lovely built-in cabinet throughout the condo, and it looks just so well done. This is a working fireplace. The current owners do not use it, but it is operated by the alcohol gel and works very well. Now, I think one of the most beautiful features of this home is that it is a very open floor plan. This kitchen is a chef's kitchen for sure, no doubt. Just stunning. Beautiful, beautiful features. Of course, vented to the outside, so cooking whatever you'd like in here is never going to be a problem. Large undermount sink, beautiful JennAir dishwasher, and under cabinet microwave here in the island. Everything is so well done in here, and it's just a stunning property. We're gonna go ahead and call this the third bedroom because it creates more of a flex space for you. As you can see, it's currently set up for an office. Semi built-in bookshelves here that do convey with the property because, of course, this is actually a Murphy bed. It will then fold down into a beautiful guest bedroom and make it a wonderful and comfy space for guests. The current owner, as you can see, has curtains up so that when a guest is in here, they're able to shut these beautiful glass doors, the barn-style doors, and then, of course, have privacy with the curtains. So it's really a wonderful idea to do that. And then coming out of this flex space room, you can see here is the hall bath, and it is just beautiful. Gorgeous designer, very modern, very updated. You've got ample storage in here, as well as a beautiful vanity. Look at this. So pretty with this beautiful mirror. Again, you've got those trees right outside the window, just beautiful. And then look at this luxurious shower with the bath combo. And then walking to the left out of that bathroom, you're going to come to the second guest bedroom, which is just a gorgeous haven. Another beautiful haven of a bedroom. Very well done as well. Ample space and tons of light coming in with the windows. Again, a tree view just outside of the window. And by the way, check out where the laundry is located. It's here in this closet just off of the kitchen and the master bedroom. You've also got a tankless hot water heater up there, but very, very convenient. This is the most magnificent part. Look at this. You see the mountains off in the distance over the building. Here to the left, everything downtown Greenville, and beautiful trees, the greenery of Greenville, just fabulous. Not only that, you have a fantastic area out here for seating, including space for a grill. So all the amenities of living out in the country, and yet you're right here in the heart of downtown Greenville. And you can hear a little bit of traffic here. But of course, once you're inside, complete and total silence and serenity. All right, Eileen, what do you think?
I think it's pretty amazing.
It is an amazing property right here in downtown Greenville. You have to check this out. You can reach out to either one of us. We would love to set up your personal showing to see Unit 208 here at 110 North Markley Street in the heart of Greenville.
Come see it.
Fabulous. Be sure and like, comment, and subscribe because we want you and others all around the nation to see what beautiful homes we have here in Greenville, South Carolina, because maybe this is your home. Thank you so much again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you living in Greenville, South Carolina.